In the previous lecture, we classified our test tools based on the test activities they support. Now, we will evaluate a number of tools and delve into some examples with a bit more information on each one. There are tools to support any of these test activities, such as the management of testing and software, static testing, whether that's reviews or static code analysis, test design and implementation, test execution and logging, performance measurement and dynamic analysis, and other specialized testing needs. We will go through each one of these in the next few slides. One thing to keep in mind is that most tools do not just provide one feature, but a combination of features. Tools for management of testing and software. These tools may apply to any test activities in the software development lifecycle. Some examples are test management tools, application lifecycle management tools, defect management tools, requirement management tools, configuration management tools, and continuous integration tools. Some examples of these tools are TestRail, QA Complete, and Zephyr. Tools for static testing. These tools are commonly associated with reviews and static analysis. Examples include tools that support reviews and any static analysis tools mainly used by the developers. Some examples of these tools are Microsoft Excel 8-Point Check and Parasoft. Tools for test design and implementation. These tools greatly aid in creating maintainable work products in test design and the implementation phase, including test cases, test procedures, test script, and test data. And some examples of these include test design tools, model-based testing tools, test data preparation tools, acceptance test-driven tools, behavior-driven development tools, and test-driven development tools mainly used by the developers. Some examples of these tools are HP Unified Functional Testing, IBM, Rational Functional Testing, RFT, and Cucumber. Tools for the execution of tests and logging of the results. These tools exist to support and enhance the test execution and logging activities. Some examples are test execution tools, code coverage tools mainly used by developers, and test harnesses, also mainly used by developers. Regarding the test harness, this is a tool that provides an environment for unit or component testing in which a component can be tested in isolation using stubs and drivers. And another example is a unit test framework tool, also mainly used by developers. Some examples of these tools are Ranorex, Test Complete, Selenium Q Unit, RunScope, Bousman, and much more. Tools for performance measures and dynamic analysis. These tools are essential for performance measurement and dynamic analysis and can be done manually. Examples include performance testing tools, monitoring tools, and dynamic analysis tools, mainly used by developers. Some examples of these tools would be, for example, LoadRunner and BlazeMeter. Tools for specialized testing needs. Now, these tools are used for a variety of testing activities, such as data quality assessment, data conversion and migration, usability testing, accessibility testing, localization testing, security testing, and portability testing. Now, keep in mind that the tools we have talked about so far are just a fraction of the tools that are available to support testing. Any tool that is employed in supporting testing is important, and these also cover tools such as Microsoft Word, Excel, SQL queries, and debugging tools.